Hey guys, how are you doing? Welcome to my channel. I hope guys you're fine. Happy New Year to everybody. Let me hope you're fine. So guys, today I received my order from Shein, and so here we are. I'm so happy. I like the stuff. Oh my god, I'm so in love with the shoes. They are fitting perfectly. I actually didn't thought they would be nice, and even when I was ordering, I was like, okay, I like this kind of shoes, but I'm not sure. But then I'm like, okay, let me try. You cannot be, you will never know whether something is good unless you try it out. So I had to try, but they're nice, so nice. And yeah, they're fitting very well, very well, and very comfortable. I liked them so much. Oh yeah, when we go to the stocks, of course, the cotton, they are cotton very well, like I expected, like I saw in the picture. I like this. Oh my god, this piece, they're something else. I like the material. They're fitting well, as in the style, according to the style. I like them so much. The blue color, oh my god. And these shoes, the open one, down one, the black ones, oh my god, they are everything. Good to move around. Yeah. And then the t-shirt, the black one, the shirt, let me not say t-shirt, I mean the shirt. The black one, the material is wow, oh my god. When I was putting on, I'm like, okay, they go with the jeans, but I think it would go with a blue jean. Yeah, though I liked this black jean as well. I liked, it's not fitting me well. I don't know why I didn't put my exact size, but I will try to fix it. Yeah, but I liked everything. Oh my god, the bag is wow, not so big. It's okay, cool to move with, going outside, around. Yeah, actually I liked everything. It's so really like me ordering something and I like all of them, but this time, wow, everything was cool. I like the material of this piece. Damn, it's so cool and looking nice on me. Yeah, it does. Mostly I like all the stuff. I like all them, the shoes, the jean, the socks, the slippers, and the bag. Yeah, the shirt, the black one, so cool. Yeah, I think Shein is a better place to go and get some stuff. Yeah, why not? Thank you guys for watching, and in case you're new here, you're welcome to the channel. I do health tips, health stock meals, I do fitness, I do vlogs. I hope you're not be bored